sithi Mr. Maskomgele namhlanje. My name is Udace Avuyile. I'm sure you are familiar with me.
Okay.
So yeah, ulapha namhlanje.
Okay.
Yeah. So I just want to know about unjani. How are you?
Okay. Actually, I'm good, but good evening, Avile, and your listeners.
Sure.
And thank you for inviting me on the podcast. Yeah, otherwise I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good.
Same here, man. The spirit is like we're on the same level and we're on the same energy. Otherwise, we are grateful, Jay, for living. Yeah. So before we get into the business of today, I would like to acknowledge we viewers there to that. Now I think you do a bit of a job, like to tell us about who you are. But before that, I wanna acknowledge to you viewers about this is Masbulele Dinisa, right?
Okay.
And I am familiar with the guy, but he will do a much better job. So I would like for you to take us about just nje to a background nje, but who is Masbulele, ukhulele phi, and yeah, just those things nje.
Okay.
And sorry to cut you off, but wenzani, like currently kwenye recently, what are you doing? Like,
Okay. Obviously, my name is Masbulele Dinisa. All up Crossroad, born and bred at Crossroad.
Sure.
And currently I'm working for Woolies.
Sure.
Currently as a TA, so TA is I'm a technical assistant for dairy. So I'm assisting your technologists, whatever that needs to be assisted with, that they need to be assisted with.
Okay, interesting. So you mentioned yourself being a TA, right? Which is your technical assistant.
Yeah.
Technical assistant. That the word technical can be so broad.
Okay.
Technical in what way? Yeah, we know about Woolies is a food store.
Okay,
and also a clothing store.
I'm gonna try to simplify.
Sure.
Like easy to understand. Okay. For instance, we food industry.
Oh, okay.
So with food industry, what we do, like we product developer.
Sure.
There's a technical, understand?
Okay.
I won't try to be complex or cool.
Yeah.
So product developers doesn't come. We develop products, we innovate products. You understand? Whatever we want to buy shop, understand that it's been innovated by product developers. Understand? They come up with a recipe. Understand the kitchen, okay, but try whatever we try a recipe, but until we product. Understand?
Yeah.
And then where I come with after the community was a longer by illegal thing is the technical. If I okay Nancy like a recipe, understand? Tina when I was the kitchen trial, Tina says that effective trial. Understand? Effective trial now if they're using a blender as a kitchen blender. Tina will see whatever inside. So I see that blender Tina will go in cool understand set whatever that recipe but don't just scale understand sense inasuka but uyo wonke lesenzayo see we food industry, I'm sure we know with corner requirements that we need to meet. Understand that. We call HACCP, which is the hazard analysis critical control point. Understand. So it is a global standard to ensure the safety of food products. Understand.
Yeah.
So we follow as long as requirements. You make sure you are important. Understand. Eventually, it gets to the store. Is it safe for consumption? Is it of good quality? Because we do not compromise quality. That's where we come in as technical, understand?
Oh, okay.
So we check the process, process CCP.
Sure.
You understand? It's part of HACCP, CCP, which is critical control point. You point up by the products on my corner. If you send the shop point, we come in terms of bacteria, in terms of chemicals, in terms of physical hazards. We make sure that we reduce to whatever is our potential hazard is our product. We make sure that we reduce it to an acceptable level. Affecting only the product, because the products that come out the customers. Customers there can be Mandwana, okay, Wanabadala, in city, understand? So our job is to make sure that product is right and is safe for by team.
Okay. Yeah, that was a wonderful sort of like a brief and background of where are you in like in terms of life and your workplace. Yeah, I wanted that so that if viewers it can have a picture. Yeah, but
Okay.
you painted a beautiful picture about where you are and what you do.
Yeah.
And we're gonna get back on that. Like I'm gonna grill you the move about like what does it take to be a food technician. I'm gonna grill you with a lot of those questions. But
Okay.
for now, I just want us to take a few steps back and to tell you that the podcast, what is it about, right? The podcast reason why you were called here, it is simply because now like in the townships about Sikhulele Songapa, we basically went to the same schools, right?
Okay.
And also, yeah, Yona, it's part of like Yona, it nurtures about because if you would see and Buchiluba, you've checked it gets Rizilap and all that.
Yeah.
So Tina, we are interested in people's stories.
Okay.
So that we inspire the young. We inspire the next generation. Or we inspire our peers. We might think maybe we are inspiring like Amanda Bacha and all that. Kandi, it comes along to discussions as banazo, like
Okay.
people that are on our same age group, like in Lozinjai. So yeah, that is the basis of this podcast. So we try to take everything that is beautiful. Just like we mentioned about. Yeah, so this channel is mainly about that, and also mainly if you would look at as a notice partner,
I saw.
yeah. So e-book the financial aid, right? So financial aid, as about not so long we are capable of managing and maintaining finances, but every now and then we try to mix your financial aid and also with our stories and our lives, Jay. So,
Okay.
yeah, I just thought I should give you that brief.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thanks
so
for that.
I've heard about like you are a food technician, and I just want you to take me back to your life at school, a primary
Okay.
and the high school, and like subject content. Like which subjects were you interested into? Like the comfort zones when it came to studying.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Starting from a primary, obviously primary, but the cool a student like I am bright, but andihoyi understand andihoyi so lokho ufuna udlala manje siyafundisa abantu ufuna udlala understand, but when it comes to doing your homeworks ngiyazenza sometimes understand, but akukho umuntu like who ask me about okay masibule namhlanje ukufundiswa ubukwenzeke into namhlanje manje ufunda into namhlanje manje, so andifumane la nto understand. A Crossroad, and then I moved from Crossroad to Milanti. And I stayed in Milanti in Makulu, and then I found I was in scholar. So it was a scholar, it's more of a mix. We have a course, some colors, you understand? I don't know, we were segregated, but about course I found about, or we want to do Afrikaans, you choose on a code. Or so I want to do Xhosa, mix up another Xhosa, understand? She was very strict. And homework and cleaning, kukho ufakala la curfew ba okay 6 endlini kanye ku17 endlini, understand? Fine, I went to then she passed on to 07, then I had to move back. Move back to a Crossroad. That's often a clean. And like the figure to know June, same kind of score, understand? And then also like English, understand? So in the advantage, so because I didn't do school in man, got from the understand, and I love reading, understand. Students still I'm one of those students that was selected about funding more. I did speak about the colleges and the college content, but on chances like then the founder even to all Saba, man, called natural science, natural science. Then so all Saba, the grade 6, and almost finish on Mr. Mr. Low, yes, I thought some like I think he was very patient with us. Understand? I get to say, I understand. I must be natural science. Maybe Mr. Best Fundis because I enjoy it. Understand? When I went to grade 7, la fonte go Mr. Mr. Michelle, so Elo was very bright. A classic the Fumano is math. Understand? Then I went to grade 8. ngifundiswa ingwenya ke ngoba Mr Charles DC and then Mr Gotlo may so rest in peace.
Sure.
Ingwenya ke hayi ke endibinthanda ke ndithanda ijokes hayi ke but wasaqala sekudibana sekuthusa qala sasivananga ngoze istraight yabokobetha ngoze yayinje sasifaka eclassini mosecinga ibikhona nantu ba abantwana abaclever bodwa abayonathi bodwa then abangathi ba middle nontoni babekwa bodwa ngoba bafuna undimuvisa eclass wa A ke ndiyancaniswa khona favorite teacher yam umstarter nifundiswa nguye and uMr Nguthi afika apha ufuna undikhupha phala class undifaka ke abantwana abaclever apparently understand according to bona ndifuna man understand I still remember vividly that day ngoba goduka ngolala endlela lila phela kwathi ngifuna like class man man abantwana abapha baphana ke ngathi baziphakamisile understand but dange la class in that right is fine dia grade 9 ngo grade 9 hey and better on still ukho le into le CPJ CRJ
EMS
ndifundisa ukho teacher yami start yo bra mosi esikele singabana bapopayi khona umntwana kuthiwa ngu shout out to Sisi Bomlanje. She was very bright when it comes to EMS and uzobala understand isimo ndimnika funa sikayibhala man ngibhalela ndifumana 100 kule we yana CPJ CRJ ne general reaction so hey mustata unselect masingayobhala pha funa ubhodini ngoku bawuyenze njani hey ayizibhalela ngoba yabo so I kufuneka ngoku sipass kufuneka usephi ngoku kwa kuyise UX level ngoba understand lapho ngifuna ukuchoose ngo high school ngifuna ukuchoose kuba medicine physics history and geography so look national science been better na grade 9 but ke manje nayo lana masemnandi la I can do mentality understand irrespective mon bayanda khululethile banama I can do it understand da abona yenza medicine physics yabo andifika right ngoku simove iclass yonke yacinga class ne once sikhenya be comfortable because bonke abantu befuna ngabe from iqinga noba ngabe 2 no 3 abantu besingafundi nabo so no phelo may so rest in peace no azile anona umntanda azindanda understand may so rest in peace also safika sonke class ne one hey man kamande zapasa ke ngoba abanye bafeyila danyuka nathi grade 11 ngaphinda funda grade 12 grade 11 no2 noluvuyo musifuna grade 12 mana siya kunhlale nani point grade 11 that's how ke manje should sakhona because ufuna ufunda because believe ngala uba ufu work with bright people now uzoba bright noba ukho bright because bengihlala nani ngihlala lezi class high school le night classes ngihlala nani bantu ufuna grade 11 if you still remember ngihlala nani ndifunde nami because now I'm doing grade 11 trash that grade 12 dafuna kapasa ke ngoku understand which is 2015 then ngoku funeka sepika ngoku 2015 funeka ndiye evarsity okay and then I couldn't go evarsity 2016 due to personal reasons yabo hlala ke ngoku xesha elide ndingafuni then I went to stay at LCS because I do have family LCS
okay
and then from Ghana friend I'm Kevin Andile Nong I'm sure you know Kevin shout out to him and then Kevin I think I know we're smart jam. I found scale so from you like say toply a bar so in LCS so 15 minutes walk from where I stay to a blood result in when I for there's a form the application form understand from so it's been a resume hey when again but for apply for the documents akho no when ngifakela umfuthu ke ngoba ngicela la school man angana la zilo esikoleni mana kholando abe driving force on sesikoleni yabo fine sokwenza lolo because sanfika bamqonqa but due to results hayi ngambile yenzi yami uba half and then aloku awuno 7 abaninzi fana 6 abaninzi yabo fine I don't even know man chobe ku Benjamin obviously mas Benjamin fab wenza futhi tech for the man yabo how about where's the foot take now man wenza vala pha man yabo uthi noma senze second year wenza first year yabo wenza phela sifuna sawona mas bo mhlobo wami nayi point but fine ake umjila ayebethele ezwi second choice ibe agriculture benze zonke ezwi teaching because na sengaphakathi yabo manje sengaphakathi ngoba I want to ba ngene kwi-premises esikole yabo hey fine umshidana like aneze zonke ezwi do certify zonke bezapho ngoba I still remember vividly leyo faka nge-30 September, the last day.
Yeah.
Ndayofaka like sindabanamba no Ntamafiso, Msifiso. Ndafaka phana izwe fine. Amasifaka ngoSeptember, andibazi umuntu ohlalayo mna kandihlali ke phantsi ngasen bekhona into ezayo manje ndafumana i-casual no job ndaphangela ndidevelopa utywala all over Western Cape. Banga beginning of Feb, what you call Prof Van Beek. Babo, sibone results zakho man apha man. Ngizoregister on Monday, yabo. Then ndafika apha ngoku ndaregisterisha. That's how bandayiza ngayo food tech ngoku.
Okay. Yeah. You've dwelled on so many touching points, and what I understand when you take Leon SM and this better cool, it is because when you bring up a point, obviously there is some backstory, there's some history. You've mentioned people, you've mentioned influence, and you've mentioned a question that I wanted to ask you about before the food tech. Like most would I didn't even know if you were not interested even to go to school. So yeah, besides being a doctor, then what was in your mind? Like what did you think you would do what did you wanted to do when you were growing up?
Apart from being a doctor?
Being a doctor, yes.
Bruh, I don't think my call and second option, to be honest. Because remember, Tina industry has years from a school, lawyer, doctor, police, so all kinds of understand. Like what I'm no, call. Look, I still remember grade 9 says that they find Kaboti constellation, which is a group of stars. Understand? I wanted to be an astronaut.
Oh,
yes, okay. Yes, I still remember. Yes.
Is that dream still there?
No.
I know. No. Okay. So yeah, wayenza ke food science wathathwa kuye. So ngoku I want you basically to take us to experience yakho in learning to be a food scientist and a technologist. Like how does that go? And okay, let me just mix this question together. So I want you to take us to experience yakho say varsity in doing food tech, right? And also tell us subject content edingekayo from a high school when uzo apply for be qualified ba ungene kwi-food science. Yeah.
Okay. I think I have the second question. The first question.
First one. Yeah. First one. We want to know about the experience in doing the course.
Okay.
Which modules were comfort zone, discomfort zone.
Got you.
Yeah.
I wanna if food tech I thank to Andile, thanks to Kevin again.
Yeah.
When's the food tech ndingenile food tech obviously ndingumuntu wabana, I love human beings, and it's very easy to interact with me interact nabantu, understand, because ndiyabathanda abantu, understand. Ndingenile phakathi neze food tech and I met abantu, understand. And then I'm very good when it comes to chemistry. Very good. I give that. And then phana was on first day my physics. Physics, and I wondered some physics. And we first day I love also life science because I'm very good. I love theory. Physics, I remember everyone believes I'm in physics and but we pass about 50 was what we say go previous but we food take it with nego in the life science. For obviously medicine physics. For you can get 4 to 5 like grades 5 4 to 6, understand. So like we food tech, understand. Obviously we food tech you mainstream. Mainstream we buy mostly food tech 3-year course, and then there will be if I'm when you medicine 4 come with 3 physics, you understand. But about life science, they can put you in a program called ECP, understand. But ECP on a 4-year course, understand. So la first year will be doing communication, understand, about understand. But at the later stage you imagine the man mainstream like you say one.
Okay. Yeah, so that. And then your second year experience, if any, just a brief.
Okay, I think I'm gonna answer that question, but we experience Kefan, we experience second year. We second year was also ndiqhelile ngoba understand and ngoku mna beningulaa ukwazi uba even classmates they can attest bazakhona even the one of your listeners they can attest. I'm one of those guys uba yityhuthi eklasini ngoku ufundisayo uba funini uthini into ndizaza kwam chemistry like maths understand ndikwenzele and phake ngoku khona abanye abantu babona uba but usefuna ndikwenzele yonke into ngokufundela lokhu nawe I'm trying uba nawe like masewethu sibekileyo ingosana ndifuna ndingathi manje ukusiza wakho because nawe ndifuna ube khona ozawuza kuwo understand. Otherwise we second year still benise-stiff second year understand because mna ndiyaliwe endlini and ndazaziyo masingulona undobileyo ngosuku siyakukhulula evarsity Walinga uba ubona abantu abangosisi bayazi imeko asendlini njani mfondini understand so sifuna wena uyofunda pha understand. I think also khona manje ngolifikayo phana second year khona mna usoke i-CP umeche nathi ngoku we andona ekhupini yona ibhaleke manje zoyibaleka i-politics ngamagama e-English ndabona ugelo ngokubhizi ufuna ubiza namagama ufuna kahle mna ke indami bese kasi ngicimile ngizelele ndizeleya understand umsisi ngokho sekudala sekukhelena noba third year ngoba yazi ngani kufuna mna angibona kozo zinto mna ndiyambona semana ngoko manje understand ufuna like sithethe sithini mna ingqondo yami ndize esikolweni understand. I even babendibiza eklasini they call me brother sister because that's what I call them my brother unjani my sister right ozandi ingqondo yami ndifuna uba ndiyojonga ndiyozenze ndipase ndiphume kwesa sikolo understand. So i-second year yami bensi-stiff man but ndiyabona bona but still safocusekile ndizeleyo.
Okay, I want you to take us where I understand we food science.
Okay.
Like there's a theory, right, where you do your chemistries, your food techs, and your other like microbiology.
Yes.
I know but there are times where nihlale classini must heavy lectures, right? After lectures, you must go to the pilot plant, which is you will tell us more about that. Which is you get to go to explore where's the machines is inside to your big
microscope.
So you use of a microscope.
Okay.
That. Yeah. Then like for you to get in that side of things, but like how we plant, what happens when we plant inside the plant?
Okay.
And what is the plant? Yeah.
Okay, I wanna fulfill the plan. What we are getting to, we are coming from we are coming back from industry. We understand because we second year we did a semester.
Yeah.
Then second semester we went to service training.
Sure.
Then we did service training. Then we came back after a year. We came back to finish one semester.
Okay.
So last semester what we are given a project. Understand the project came up with pilot plant. What happens there is much I can say it's not a mock but yes I can say mock plant understand but the only fatal spangala kuzo sezinkulu but phana bakubonisa le lenzeka pha wenza exactly la lenzeka pha ifilter but oku phana since ba izinana nemitshini yakhona mincane understand. So phana xa ungena ke pilot plant hand washing procedure you need to understand it comes in because it's very important because you're dealing with food.
Sure.
You have food carriers the microorganisms. Understand and you need to know you need to know about when not only in factory you wet your hands, you apply soap, paper towel, and then important steps like you sanitize your hands, trying to kill the bacteria as I understand.
Yeah.
So I don't tell much about like the because salmonella, TBC is salmonella and for gram positive as long as I understand because we are dealing with so I'm gonna try to get it deep.
Okay.
And then obviously we need to work on the planting. So safety shoes. Because anything can happen there.
Yeah.
Also, you need to have nails because cut the best short as well. be clean because afuneki izandla zimdaka phana, understand? I'm a food scientist, brother. Afuneki izandla zimdaka clean, then you wear your mob cap, understand?
Yeah.
Understand? If I'm doing the heavy, okay, njengawe
Yeah.
funeke unxibe i-bed cover because the reason why
Yeah.
ungene plantini kanye lining kanye factory.
Yeah.
So it can happen that inwele ziwole product,
Yeah.
understand? Because the product any product now after iyakwazi uhamba yephi ye store
Yeah.
and ufike uluvuyo ayithenge, understand? Ayitshaye product yakhe unenwele enwele iqale phi iqale pha efactory ngenxa yakho because wena awukhange ulandele imithetho yophi yasefactory.
Sure.
And you go to a factory kukho imishini pha efactory, understand? And simple rule, you can't operate machine ungazange watrain machine, understand?
Okay.
There are situations whereby you find abantu like live abantu umuntu asebenzisa isandla kumachine because befaka isandla amelanga uyasifaka isandla because we are train abantu ba okay nansi namzekelo nazi iyana SOP which is a standard operating procedure, but how to operate machine, understand? And now ku operate machine awusawenziwe i-training and you sign about okay wenze training and whatever yenzeka ikhambi isikolo like kind of factory. They go back abe tracer okay we benzile okay beyenzile training okay we understand wasign ba committed, understand yonke into wasign. How can lo ugenda ke kwafaka isandla machine access. So a lot of accidents ezenzekayo akwazi uhamba ukufana ke kubhizi ufuneka i-floor lethu islipara. There are situations whereby kuba awuhamba ungajonganga uyakwazi ukuwa ubetheke kwakho, understand? You need to mind the steps xa uhamba i-factory, understand? Anything can happen, understand? Like ubekho izi-accidents ezinjalo. That's what happens in-factory.
You're shining a light. Say, I don't want to lie. You are shining a light. Like I'm sure anyone who's out there who's the industry, which is being a food scientist or a food technician, like I think they are more engaged in the conversation with the sign and to those that are interested because we time zone or time period where abantwana esikolweni go grade 12.
Sure.
And then when it comes to a choice of courses that they should do, zibambala, right? And besides zibambala, abachuza kuzo, but in a case of zininzi zona, right? But abantwana they are only exposed. Like when you grow up, you only knew you were going to become a teacher, a doctor, a police. There are things that are broad. Because let's understand, in order for the world to go around, there are things that should be made. You guys need to be like to make sure that the food we eat, like everything. I'm sure in packaging is part of food science. Right?
Yes, correct.
I believe once you get a package, the package must be tested as well.
Yes.
Right? Yeah. So I didn't want to bring this up now, maybe later on, but I'll bring it up. Yeah. So moving on, Gengogu, I want you to tell us, like where you are now. Brief about you, like Woolies and all that. Some of the strengths of being a TA or a technical assistant power Woolies. Like his strengths and zakho phayana, like currently. Sure.
Brother, what I love, but like learning who you work, understand current position in I'm one of those people like even in adversity, I don't like to. Yes, I might know the answer, but I won't like raise my hand to say okay, change. Understand? Because I'm always trying to respond to understand. And I've worked with several industries. I've worked for I won't mention company that I've worked for. Understand? Then Woolies, what I love about Woolies is that there are a lot of presentations that are happening. Understand? Even one presentation, but we are forced about it was the presentations because there are a lot of talking. Understand? We have a lot of meetings. And you're out to about it, and I understand. And then that's one hour after like doing presentation 1, presentation 2, 3. Everybody, hey, man, the there's confidence in it, understand? I'm not afraid to raise my hand and understand? There's confidence, there's the boldness, understand? And go the comfortable man like presentation, give me presentation that understand? Yesterday I had a presentation yesterday, half one. But I'm not scared. Give me presentation. I understand. So this is the thing about Hamza. Kwa fully last year, there's a lot. But like we are working. But whatever if you fail now, you fail at your own like your own accord. Fail because there's a lot. Everything is at your disposal. I can make information, everything. So when I fail, about phone fail again. I understand that I was born back into. On every uyenza ufuna sik assist people ufuna ndibona bechakala thethe assist thina and there are a lot of professionals behind the scene about support bayajula uye pa fly understand thina sakunceda ngathi yachona sakunyusa thina understand. So I really love coming from the industry because I'm so faithful now. I'm telling behind the keyboard, I'm busy, understand? So at first they be hands on the product team there's amanzi they washaya amanzi bengalamanzi ngawo lezimzekelo understand the product amanzi ngoku the training ngoku nje execute ngawo the dedicate man ngokuba AV izinto thile ngo AV wins izinto thile ngo you understand. So ibe ona in challenge ngoku and like if come and bephangela kuwe bendi ngumntu I understand. So ngoku enkomani ngumntu aqhelele uqala uzenzela izinto so uthi uba ucela abantu bakwazela izinto enomphathi wabena bengasimazi alifuna understand question kuyo so ufuna ukwenza yonke izinto bakhona abantu mahlakani kufanele like delegate umsebenzi wekisi nawo bakwazi ukwenza team bafuna ukwenza yonke into ngokwakho understand. And phana and one thing ulisifika kuyo ne andifika nalo lost because icompany beliphangelwa qala was they were slicing cheese, they were doing technique platters, they were doing casual meals, plant-based products for Woolies, understand. So I understand how Woolies operates before the figure partner. I understood before the figure partner or Woolies. So our band is nabo abantu bemele figure umsebenzi wami bephakathi before understand. So I ngibona abantu if familiar faces understand. So it's easy to interact nabantu abanjalo understand. The analogy ne jargon it's easy because there are a lot of bayawazi usebenza ufuna lamazi amagama ashorten man like bayathanda usebenza amagama umzekelo masithi WhatsApp. Yes, I'm looking for the word acronym. I like acronym so I understand the 4P. What 4P? So I understand, but 4P what mean? What does the word mean? Like what does 4P means? Understand? Because I'm coming from the company that was working for Woolies. Understand? Yeah. So unfair and I lost the pride and another thing that I love about Woolies, culture. Yeah, culture. I'm making there was only and the training and the facilitator asked me, Mansi, are they paying me to say good things? I'm like, no. That's how I feel. They are good human beings. I call an man, yes, we may fight because we are trying to achieve a common goal. Understand? Meeting, not that we are fighting, but the fight is personal because if you we again, understand? Sure. And can't grand man for you to like kwana begile jam kwana begile ene yabona nomkhaba understand. Otherwise grand and nomsebenzi man even though the assistant understand most of the work like the assistant the team was to mass a project no chamber on this project understand we use a bayakho project throughout understand buzu questions because we go into izabuzwa kuwe was at the end of the day what it start from stretch the product up until finish. Whatever that goes wrong, and we need to buy when you own the project until you figure a store.
Okay. Yeah. Hey, this is a wonderful episode. I hope you're enjoying yourself as
we can see that.
Yeah, man. So yeah, I wanna crisscross
Okay.
and go to a character kaMasbu. I want to go to a character kaMasbu. I'm sure people who are listening or when you're watching, they see one comfortable in the food science and food technology, right? I think not that I think I know that I met you for food science, for
Okay.
food science and technology.
Yeah.
Now I did register for the course
Yeah.
CBUT. You were my senior there,
Sure.
right? Then in terms of the character, I think uzo explain work, but I think I need to say this
Okay.
like before iphume kuwe. Ingabe ngathi I'm holding a grudge or something
Okay.
bad. When I got to a CBUT, I saw you guys there, like the local guys, like Open, no Kevin, no the other guys. Character kaMasbu ke ngoku, I did mention about we senior yam.
Sure.
The first meeting enadibana nawe pha umkhawuleni ihlaba if uyakhumbula. Yeah, flip-flops. I was wearing flip-flops.
Okay.
Then ndayadibana nawe, I think we greeted each other, but it was a character yabo.
Okay.
Fast vibrate.
Sure.
So I think only safety boots.
Okay, sure.
Then when you actually flip-flop.
Oh, yeah.
So that entire day, all the nyama ngenyawo.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't even remember that day. I'm so sorry, yeah.
But after yonke lonto, you apologize. I didn't have a problem. Then another thing happened. You are my senior with food tech.
Yeah.
And then you came up to me, and then one offerisha a place to stay.
Okay.
One offerisha like food. Like when I was at a rough place in my life. You are one of the people in Batinga everything. Like every time I see you, and I think about Masbu once offered me a place to stay. Masbu once offered me like food to eat. And also on advice in terms of the course. Regardless, nobody is no but like character yako made it sure uba when ndakubona powerful uba no man lena I sole provider like umuntu wabantu and I just wanted to mention that so that ingapheli la episode mhlawumbe ngingayimentionanga you are one of the great guys like I think I should admire that and I appreciate the food loan. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. To food science, I remember they did tell us go food tech. Even you did tell us about we food tech. We qualification yayo. We are quasi to be like in industries, right? Usebenze lezo industries, whether we poultry, whether we dairy, whether like no department of development, and then they also picked up on the business side of food tech because you can work for a factory, right, or work for an industry or a company, but manifuna udwele on the business side of food tech, like in terms of owning your own soft drink or water bottles or like in so. Has it ever come across your mind when you would own something enjalo or you still like looking for opportunities enjalo? Or if not, you can just tell us about how does the business side of food tech works? Because I think that's one of the greatest things food tech offerisha is to be able to handle the machines, work from factory to factory, from company to company, but you can also develop and also innovate new products.
Okay, no, I'm going to look at an example. That idea that never crossed my mind, but I'm going to make this guy that was working for Woolies. He worked for Woolies for Excelite, understand? And the guy decided to open like a company, understand? And the guy is the owner guy. I say ISI bag. You would say Montague Gardens. The bags that we carry with pride, understand? And the bags with our Woolies is black and white. It's the same guy. That guy was working for Woolies, understand? And Puma Woolies. When he decided to open his own company, understand? And you starting from textile was that true almost as a base, understand? But even though they textile has to do with also the science, understand? And also from textile linen one fashion they go to umjita understand but two ngela bags they also was also even though I did food tech and
Sure.
I also did equality understand
Yeah.
equality I want to check ngokuba okay lamanzi quality lamanzi are right now are they purified for instance are like right lamanzi are clean athini understand so they oversee ngoba okay it's bags okay linen akhona cotton whatever but right now so I want to go back there. But in order to have that idea of create your own company, I think you also need to attend a seminars.
Yeah.
I understand. We just about being an idea and then we draw inspiration from partners. So because I believe I can try to explain the food tech, but what they can do, but in order like we be interested, you understand? We born our home, understand? Because they can always. Bayakwazi ukufaka mhlawumbe bathi masisikhobe stores go to a stores that's really seen but when just to check for you number 3 months before you saw in 3 weeks but how they operate phana about ithini like ijargon zabo phana what systems are they using there khale phana uzibonela if mna ngokwami explain ba basebenza ngebihlobo benza le ngoku kwenzeka benza le benza la nje le wena ngoku uzawuthina like uzoba interested because ndakubalisela ngophathi also uyibonela wena it's a different experience understand so to now the idea of creating my own company and
Okay.
for now I got feed but I there are people that understand when I companies even a colleague of mine in a company she's a food technologist like in profession and she's my senior she has her own product officially like they terms her own product understand and starting Vaseline, starting like his new product when it comes to Tamis and understand because also and no being like test like microorganisms from an established lab but more recently when I we not look like I'm a paper like COA certificate of acceptability to test the product okay this is we can like post it one thing on Facebook like people see the product right she's a food technologist and akahlala ngapha food technologist she goes ukhama job back there's you also forced you know go there because establishments just to sit and listen to abantu abasebadala bekule industry understand you will draw upon inspiration you will draw like izili yokwenza like you to create your own company but it's possible but at this point in time I can't cross to be honest with you.
You thank you for that. You spoke of e-testings, you spoke of like check and equality. Like now I want to ask like the worst case scenario mhlambi awake wadibana nazo kule industry food tech in terms of checking microorganisms. Thina abantu abahlala ezindlini, right? Yes, we know we grew up let's wash our hands when we're dealing with food and all that. Like I wanna know from the worst case scenario if mhlambi lo product ibe spoiled okanye ibe nalo bacteria then what does uMasibulele do okanye what does food technologies do when it comes to indawo enjalo because I remember in the news there was the outbreak of 2018 there was the outbreak of bacteria. So in worst case scenarios how do you guys handle them and then how safe and how not safe for humanity?
I'm not gonna mention the name of the company.
Sure.
This company I used to work for this company. I was a food technologist there. Understand? So they are producing Russians, Vienna, Paloni. Paloni the outbreak. Outbreak. So there's an ingredient that they are using, which is the main ingredient. Understand? The recipe, okay? That ingredient has E. coli. These are microorganisms. It has Listeria, has Salmonella. Understand? So long as they are very detrimental to good humans. Understand? So. The process was the process, understand? But there's a step, but if you are when I mentioned while I was explaining uhasa,
Yeah.
understand? I said the CCP, which is the critical control point. Cooking, the feeling Russians, because the casing was there, but ndio yini bathi investa sithi like trouble lethu abantu ba listeners understand yabo so kukhona into efakwayo phaka ngoku immensely efakwayo phaka positive and so into ezininzi phaka yabo then ifakwe ayikaphekwa ifakwe cooking lo CCP understand remember phana ke ngoku kukho eza i-microorganisms i-3 esibalile so funeka umuntu ophekayo phaka which is like i-cook funeka enze sure ba i-temperature reaches above 72 degrees Celsius.
Sure.
To know, but okay, nyani is a microorganisms ngoku sizibulele, understand?
Yeah.
Kwakwenzeka ngoku I release mna release because ufuneka bize before ikhuphe back cooking. I'm assuming to say okay, sign as like operator nami ke ngose technologist. Sign. Understand? Ngoba sibala njengoba okay, nyani really is reached above 72 degrees Celsius.
Sure.
If it happens, I am reaching. Sign up so. Just make them not okay. Carry on.
Yeah.
You can't watch it because it can happen that the product. Good stores. Remember, I go tell them about loan up. I stay down in the Russian fishing. Come on, the school. Which is customers years. Buy come to school. Father, mama, father, the lunch box ndanakhe agulafe understand atrace bhek umzali betheke kwi-store esithile understand and then xa itrace back nansi le quality assurance okanye nansi le fethu technologies thing masibulele understand isayinile apha understand
sure
yagxothwa ndiyabanjwa understand that's how serious it is understand so that's why now I think food tech needs passion. Apart from into imali, and so yes, you need imali, but it needs passion. You need to be passionate about the service of understand. You need the passion because apart from the areas with learn about understand mistake wenzayo inga affect as long as it's outbreak. Zenzeka in the outbreak this area. You blame is over. It's a good because we are the custodians. Salento. You won't understand, even though our members are work behind scenes and they don't see zonke izinto, but iqala kuthi understand. So that's why there are requirements that we need to adhere to, there are legislation that we need to adhere to. So it means it means.
You really sound like a food doctor. I remember our lecture in first years, Wachiba, we were going to become doctors. Then we were like, man. You are food doctors, So at this point, Mogu, this is where I catch someone off guard. So Mr. Ngosana, if you had any questions for Mr. Wanye, just comments or anything.
I know. You caught me off guard. Episode okay. I'm ready for it now. Flip. No man. I just wanna bring it back to consumers. Yeah. So the TV tips all those nigga like let's say you're taking a shop, then the TV tips all those niggas wanna to sort of like determine about the product right, like let's say umzekelo kwi cheese you find abantu bayiphethulula bafuna ujonga ba ingaba nyani right for consumption because you do say about things happen factory and then if products ziyakwazi kuya kwi shelves apho kufumanise kubana azikho ready so let's say kwi instance apho kufumanise kubana kwenzeke i mistake factory then zibe khona kwi-shelves i-products ezingekho grand. So it tips to consumers like how do we spot i-product maybe ingekho right?
If we are talking about quality. When talking about quality, like it's very broad. Maybe the product like a mold, like a cheese, for example, like a song aside, whatever. So mold, you can see most by like song almost mold. Mold, you understand? Something that we born. Another thing, I'm born song aside, but I'm not supposed to play. I'm not song aside. Understand? I always change. I see every customer is different. We survey customers, we have transporter customers, understand? We have customers that know what they buy, understand? Like each cheese. we have cheese gurus as the customers.
Yeah.
Bayazipiculula. Understand?
Yeah.
I'm gonna make an example of this. We have less customers that always they know what they buy.
Yeah.
Understand? And we cannot tell them otherwise. And one of our values is that customer first, because they are the one that bring man to the business. Understand? Second value is quality.
Yeah.
Us, our job is to make whatever that we do, quality is at the center of what we do.
Yeah.
Yonke into esenzayo quality, we produce ukutya ku-right, understand? But kuyenzeka ngokwenza mistake ezinjalo, i-product ingabikho right, understand?
Yeah.
Umzekelo, siyakwazi ukwenza lela kuthiwa i-recall. Ukhona i-company recently into yokutya kwabantwana, so i-recall, understand? There was a problem kutya kwabantwana. Zonke ukutya kusestore, ndiyaxelela khusho nase-TV nezindabeni uba sanoyithenga la product ithile and funeka irecallwe zonke i-stores ezikuzo uyibuyisele because mhlawumbe ukhona lo microorganisms ebhaqwe kula product, understand? So yenzeka iba iphume. It's very nice xa iseyibhaqwe i-problem ingakaphumi i-product iselapha. You can quarantine the product ithile, then see investigate as to iqale phi problem. And it's very, there are a lot of things xa si investigate.
Yeah.
We need to go 5 why. There are root cause analysis. 5 why is just where you ask why the problem yenzekile. Bekutheni sizenzeke ubuzo why abaninzi until you get to a problem, understand?
Yeah.
Then when you unaza questions zonke, then you start to do your root cause analysis by lonke ngonobangela walento. You understand? There are a lot of things, you understand, that's investigate a problem until it be right. If yenzekile customer yibone lo nto, obviously the report ba okay, I call the product ithile, understand?
Yeah.
Abantu base store banayo right to say okay, masithengile ngoyana endlini, and there are a lot of chances because ezinye customers they don't rate because umzekelo ba you say i-product ethile mhlawumbe you put it away from isun, understand, faka efrijini i-product umuntu ayibeke kulo mhlawumbe ku-temperature ethile. There's temperature abuse. I-product mhlawumbe umzekelo i-spice esithile usifake nje efrijini for instance, then i-color product deteriorate, understand? Iyatshintsha i-color, ingabiyo la color mhlawumbe paprika okanye cayenne pepper, turmeric, i-color yayo iyetshintsha ngayisengulayela turmeric ngokuthi angibona enye i-color, ngibona i-color emnyama i-product i-customer colors. But akutheni not knowing uba yena hangafukozi i-packaging khona iyaxelela uba ithini instructions bafuneka ithini i-product ifuneka ithini ibeke endaweni ethile wena ubeka kwindawo engapha, understand?
Then also kwi-packaging kuba ku-other dates. I think inokanye ziba yi-3. Not sure i-date.
Okay, you sell by date, there's just before date, there's use by.
Use by.
Yeah.
So ithini importance of adhering to ezo dates.
Okay.
And also what could happen if umuntu, let's say ezinye products ziba ne-expiring date yabo, then ndifuna uba practical yabo because iyenzeka lento leyo ubana abantu they do consume i-products ezi-expirishileyo yabo, either without knowing okanye umuntu abe eyibona but maybe kuye kubekho lo 5 days after i-expiring date kuye kutshiwo ubana no man le product ungayiconsume yabo. So ithini like i-repercussions of not following other dates ezibhalwe phaa.
Let me start by sell by date.
Yeah.
Sell by date, umzekelo masithi you go to a store wena i-date namhlanje 30th of January.
Yeah.
So ufika phana wena masithi okay, i-product it comes about masithi Tuesday izawuba yi-2nd. I want to believe that.
Yeah.
So wena namhlanje 30 ufika store wena ufika i-product ufika masithi ufika Monday, understand? The product i-sell by date is 2nd. You can still buy la product it is 2nd, understand? Go first wena, understand? Nge-2nd funeka la product le imkile store funeka ithengiswe la product nge-2nd fika date second isemkile ku-store seyithengiwe la product, understand? Line sell by leyo funeka ithengiswe ingadi ifike la date i-2nd but ithengiswe before kufika la date i-2nd, understand? So i-use by. So use by is close to it's more of an expiry date now, you understand? So we want okay, use by namhlanje sithi 30 le product, understand? You can still eat the product, understand? Obviously we check in song okay, it's fresh akekho mold apha lesiso loo nto mhlawumbi inyama ayikho spoiled, and
Yeah.
you can still buy and eat the product ithile. I once had an argument with umeza wam. And now I take it. I take a low product. I think call the product, but the drink, the product I take it. So, what if you date up? So, this means I'm an HMS, you're right. Which means expansion, the method. I want up, so we want to evolve and the class here. He said, I want to call a land. I see the corner. I call only one eye wrong about the product. It's right. So it's safe, but we each understand. Then there's best before. If best before now, if nigga. Like we check before figure that date, like before the second. When I say figure, we check before you figure that date. Understand the product because some of 2 days, but we tell you, but we check before that date because. Ingenze kama ukule understand uthi wena mnabethe uyitshela iproduct so we trying to avoid into ezinjalo mhlawumbe ukule wena uyothi ngokundima uthe yitshela product
so
go best before yexela ba before that date, you understand. So we are still fine how we chill before we like that date ifike.
Hayi so hayi siyabulela mina explanations of those dates.
Okay, I think funeka senze another episode if you are interested. If you
I will say this, but thank you guys for inviting me. We drive conversation. I think like I'm very comfortable with I think I'm very comfortable and it's not very man. And it becomes very easy when we talk about something that you know, that you have done, you know, experience. I'm not saying things and it's something that I'm doing. Understand? And I've done it, and it becomes very easy for me to explain. I hope now the listeners get. Mhlawumbe vile kwenda khawulezi kanti sabelonqana la nithi man.
we try.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'd like to say thank you for admiring invite and also showing up. I know like you could have been busy, like usenza nobody known. But yeah, man, like such stories, as I always say, such stories need to be told. Such stories needs to go out there. Like just like you're saying now, about you are comfortable now.
Yeah.
Surely you've sparked a light. Whoever umamele okanye who wants to follow a career path yakho in Omed, yabo. Yeah, from my side, ayikho enye into. If mhlambi khona mhlambi words of wisdom like
what I just want to say from to upcoming guys abazoya maybe upcoming food technologists or food scientists to get a varsity. I would say it's a big step to get a varsity. Understand? By varsity, it's not about how much brains you have, or it's not about talent. I understand. I think for me, what I can highlight are two things: is character and commitment. Understand?
Yes.
And also, I would say it's not about you best player, varsity. No, it's all about being a best teammate, understand? Because we work and abantu abaninzi like we umzekelo ufumana umsebenzi igroup afuna phana sidibana sonke ingqondo sidibana, understand? So and udinga umuntu open minded,
Sure.
uzokuzale yakhe opinion, even if like I think my opinion yakhe iyabhadlanga, understand? I need to find a way bazokuzisebenzisana nawe to show you uba konke okay na basebenzisana kanjani because we have a common goal here, understand? And also what and also it needs also varsity, you need discipline, brother, respect, understand? And we ask ba team there are a lot of temptations, but understand you only panda with alcohol is there, ladies are there, boyfriends are there, anything that you can think of is there. And
Even the church is there.
Obviously, I used to attend that was with Mama Crusade but I used to attend the campus ministry, go even to AUCT, upper campus just to attend. I used to attend there are a lot of things when I pass. You see the corner, you won't get it. That's why I used to say when you I wish everyone can get to life was rest because we are moving on. We are moving on, understand? and experience wise, not you don't need to focus your always the discipline and on school also in life you need to apply because ukhona life ngapha kwe-res ngapha kwe-varsity khona life ukuphile, understand. So and there are a lot of courses ke ngo ibhana e-varsity sike siwayeka amapolisa ngoba siyeke lawyer nendondo khona course by, understand, apart from food tech nendondo khona courses right there are biomed there's zininzi khona le don't paralegal zininzi course man. But just that abantu they need to do their own research, of course they need to do their own research. If bafuneka babuze abantu because because it's role models brother for these guys really. And I don't blame I don't put blame because also now us nasi ngoku kunzima sinemigqoko ethile ngoku asicacanga ba sinike abantu bakhona i-role models kasi kukho abantu basijongileyo, understand. But the wonke lena manje it's sport man, i-race. But that's all I can say now.
Okay.
But education is the key to success.
Yeah, guys, I think that's it.
So
Thank you so much, guys.